Hello everybody, welcome to our train spotters. Today we're at Sydenham station and we're going to be filming some more trains for you guys. So all I can say is just sit back and watch and enjoy. Thank you. First off, we were planning to film the metro testing for this video, but unfortunately the metro testing is not running between Sydenham and Victoria Cross due to an operational issue. So there will be no metro testing in this video, unfortunately. So anyway, just sit back and enjoy the trains. So to properly start off this video, we have a Tangara approaching Sydenham. It's going to pull into platform 6 for a waterfall service. T48 is the leading set. We also have a Waratah Series 2 B14 departing. Tangara now departing for a service to Waterfall. Reminder T48, leading set. Trailing set is T7. another Tangara for a Bondi Junction service, T31 leading set. And we have B24 for a service to the City Circle. T31 leading service Tangara to Bondi Junction. Train's next stop will be Redfern, followed by Central, Town Hall, Martin Place, King's Cross, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. And T79 trailing set, we have Waratah Series 2 B24, piloting service to City Circle. Train's next stop will be St Peters, followed by Erskineville, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum. Caught that late, we have A44 for a service to Liverpool. Alright, A44 is now departing, service to Liverpool. Okay guys, so just to pretty much finish off this video, we have a Kiama Oscar. It's a South Coast Line service. It's gonna pass through Sydenham in a second. We have H21 leading. And H50 trailing. So on that note, we're going to end this video here. Thank you for watching all our train spotters. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and please request where you want us to film next. So anyways, see you next time.